crafty people. In this video, we're going to be talking about knitting abbreviation CACB. It can be written as C1, C2. Regardless, it refers to multiple colors in your knitting project. Typically, CA or C1 would be the main color, and CB, C, and so on and so forth would be complementary colors. So in the swatch, the colors are basically all the same in terms of what's dominating. So you can either go off of what the pattern tells you the main color is, or color A, or you can decide for yourself which one is which and just follow instructions and charts pertaining to that specific color. Yeah, it is interchangeable with main color, contrasting color, but tends to be used more when there's more than two colors present. All right, so that is abbreviation CACB. It can be C1, C2, C3, and so on.